Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Tuesday, January the 25th, 2022. We have here only one regular Sudoku and it's Medium Sudoku. And we have not so good news. This also in this newspaper, no additional, no extra puzzles. So what I will do is continue with the yesterday's newspaper with the additional, the three puzzles left. And yeah, the publisher has made a remarkable mistake, because in this newspaper, let me zoom this out. Okay, in this newspaper, this is page number 10. Okay, so let me scroll the papers. Let me show you there are no extra puzzles. But here, let me show you this puzzle page. Only one regular Sudoku. Look, 4832 3189. Page number 12. And this is page number 10. Come on. So it's the same here. The same. 4832 3184 3189. Here, page number 10. Page number 12. The same page. The publisher has published the same page. Wow. What a mistake. So no additional, no extra puzzles. Let me show you the rest of the newspaper that sure with today's newspaper. Yes, no additional, no. All right, so and let me tell you the daily news. Yeah, the government has announced that tonight the lockdown will be official be ended. Yes, so no more lockdown. No more lockdown. Right. Right. Only one regular Sudoku. Let me zoom this. Okay. Position the camera. Oh, apologies. Okay. Come on. With this newspaper. Let me. This will be number. This Sudoku Medium will be number 4027. Yeah, 4027. Let me write it here. 27. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be at 2 stars. For 2 stars, I need to be my time limit for 2 stars puzzle 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan. We have here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 4. We have a 6 and a 4 in the third row, so no 6 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 4, 6 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. Okay. Then. How about these four missing numbers in the first row? One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this second column. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left in the second column for the number 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We see here 5 in the third row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in the third row? Those missing numbers are, here we have 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6, it goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this first column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Okay. Alright. Then. 3. Let me think. 7, 9. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 3, 3, and 4. I'm thinking. 1, 2. The 2. 2. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9 should be there. Okay, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so no row below. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 9. All right. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. I'm thinking. 2, 2. 1, 1. 1, 2. 7. 3. 3, 3. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Okay. Alright. Alright. Then. How about yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be in one of those 3 boxes. So we have an 8 in one of those 3 boxes in this row. 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers. Wait, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last third column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the first column. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright, cannot continue with the 3. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. 5, 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5. Let me scan these 3 numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. No. How about 1, 4, 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers in the last row are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this column. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. The 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers 4 and a 7. 4 and the 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 7. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 2 is the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then. How about the number? Four, eight, 7. Interesting. 1, 8, 1, 8, 2. 1, 8, 2. 1, 8. Well. We have a 2 in the last row. 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Then. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Told you. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will continue later on with the other 3 puzzles in additional of the yesterday's edition. But first, let me mark these boxes because I'm analyzing those numbers. Who knows? I see a pattern, but I do not know. So I need more data. Alright. These middle boxes of the big squares. So we have a 3, 8, 6 here. 8, 1, 3. 7, 6, and 5. So we have 3 pairs. The 3. We have the 8. And we have the 6. Interesting. Alright. Thank you for watching. And we will meet again later on. So, see you then. Bye-bye for now.